Are you ready for a cloze activity?
Yes!
What is a cloze? A cloze is a text. And words are missing. Words are missing. How many words are missing? How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
9 words are missing, okay? Let's read the text together, okay? Little by little. Tea time is a
Tea time is a
in the
in the
What word could go here? Tea time is a hotel?
No.
No. Tea time is a
game?
so you say I think I know.
I think I know.
Lucy?
Tea time is a game.
No, sorry. Tea time is a Ellie?
Oh, I think tea time is a time.
Yes! Tea time is a time.
Tea time is a time.
In the...
I think I know. In the United Kingdom.
Tea time is a time in the United Kingdom?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. Okay, let's read together, okay? Tea time is a time in the United Kingdom where people eat sandwiches and scones. Eat sandwiches and scones.
I think eat sandwiches and cakes.
Cakes. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's read. Where people eat sandwiches, cakes, and scones. Yeah, that works. Okay, let's continue. And they drink tourist?
No.
No, you can't drink tourist. That doesn't exist. They drink,
I think I know. They drink tea.
Yes, exactly. Okay, let's read again. Where people eat sandwiches, cakes, and scones, and they drink tea. Tea. Okay, traditionally, people play too. Traditionally, people play too. What is it? I think I know.
Yes, I think I know.
People
People play games.
People play games. Excellent. Okay, let's repeat the sentence together, okay? Traditionally, people play games. Okay. Two. Sorry. Okay, now, when you do a cloze activity, there's a lot of things you can do. So, take advantage of the fact that you keep on repeating the sentences and have students read with you at the same time, because the more and more you read it, the more and more they will know the text and they will understand the text, okay? Don't hesitate to yourself make weird mistakes so they really can eliminate things that don't work, okay? And you can do a cloze with a lot of different text. Even with really small kids, a really simple text works great. And this works with adults, teens, anyone. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.